Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on an Epson WorkForce WF-7830. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself using the touchscreen you can see here. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to try and make the steps as clear as possible so you can change it from whatever language it is in currently to whichever language you would prefer. So first of all, we're going to use the touchscreen. We're going to drag it along until settings is exposed, which is marked by this cog here. Press to go in. Then we want to go into General Settings, which is the first option. From General Settings, we need to go into Basic Settings, which again is the top option and should be easy to find for you. And once we're in Basic Settings, we're going to scroll ourselves down to the bottom, and then we'll see that Language is the fourth option up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Click into that. And here you have a scrollable screen with all of the languages available. If you're looking for English, it's relatively close to the top, but should remain readable regardless of the language it's in currently. It's quite often one of the top 3 options on printers, but not in this case. It's best to go into English, or whatever language you desire, and you're done. Now that's pretty much all there is to see here. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this printer, let us know down in the comments. If you found this video useful, let me know with a like. Thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.